It has been raining for 15 minutes and it's already cats and dogs, and we observing that we can't real sound which are happening outside me or around me, but we only hearing rain sound. And right now I am sitting under beside of road, and we are watching that or observing that roads are floating by rainwater, and some areas are also floating if we try to watch this side of road, and channel this side of road. That's very interesting. Though it's rainy season and it should regular scenario of rainy season, but last few years we could not see this type scenario rather than previous year. This year raining amounts are more than previous 4 or 5 years, and I have to sit in here. I can't go to my home because it is heavy raining right now. Whatever, one rickshaw puller are waiting, and he is waiting with her passenger, with his passenger, and I am also watching that, thinking and feeling romantic when I was a student, class 9, 10 or college level. On the time, if I got this type scenario or this type situation, we just try to go out, and we wait out the rainwater, and it was amazing thing that we cannot explain it in words. Thank you so much.